So before I come to the today's announcement, let me give you an update regarding the MechVent course. So those who are new here or those who don't know, the MechVent course is basically a mechanical ventilation course specially designed for the intensive care unit. So few weeks back, we started the enrollments and application for the pilot batch. Pilot batch means that this course will be a period of or will run for a period of 6 to 9 months, and will understand what are the requirements of the candidates who are enrolled for this course, which method of teaching is giving them good insights, good learning, whether recorded classes or live classes are helping them out. So we'll try different things, but we'll make sure that after a period of 6 to 9 months, everybody who gets selected in the batch or who completes this course will have a fair idea about basics of the ventilation in intensive care as well as the advanced things which are there in the intensive care unit regarding the mechanical ventilation course. So the enrollments are over now on the 24th August. So now what is going on? Initially we thought of starting the batch off with 30 students, then we increased to 60, and then as the number of applications were coming, we increased to 90 seats. But to my surprise, we have received almost more than 1,000 applications. So each and every application we are reviewing it personally. It's not an automated system. Whatever you have filled in the form, we'll go step by step through each application, and then we'll select the candidates for the course. Now here is the catch. We have decided that we'll make two lists out of these 1,000. One is the final list, which we will sort it out that these are the candidates which are going to be there in the final batch, and the second is the waiting list. Now why waiting list? What happens if we select the candidates in the final list? At times they are not able to attend, or because of their commitments they are not available because of any issue or circumstantial things. Or if we have selected some particular candidate but he or she is not regularly attending the classes, like they are missing out 1 class, 2 class, 3 class, they are not attending it regularly, then we should give an opportunity to someone who is there interested more in that. So this process will go on for a period of 1 or 2 weeks, when the review process for all the applications personally, the ESBICM academic committee, me including myself, when we will review all the application, we'll post a list of those candidates on the ESBICM website, both the final list and the waiting list. Number of seats, we came up to 90 seats, but we don't know, we may increase it also depending upon the final list. So keep reviewing the esbicm.org website. You will get an update on the channel, don't worry about it, but it will take 1 or 2 weeks for that matter. We need to review it all the applications personally. So this was about the MechVent course update. Now the second very much important announcement which I had to make today is something which I have been thinking of for the last 6 years on ESBICM. Now those who are attached with us right from the beginning, or those who have joined us recently, few months or few weeks or few days back, they know that ESBICM from the starting is trying to provide the educational things in a simplified manner which is freely accessible to all. And how we do it, earlier there were CMEs, there were workshops, then COVID came and then we switched to online. So various platforms are there, like our ICU channel, then we have Instagram, we have ESBICM forum, we have telegrams like that. And on that platforms, what happens, it's sort of one-way communication more. We listen to you, we record the lectures, we teach something, we upload it, and that's the way. And how you people interact with us, either posting the comments on the section, or posting comments on the Instagram, or asking questions on the ESBICM forum, on Telegram, like that. But it's not the case with every member who is attached with us. Over a period of these 6 years, we have noticed that few of the members are very much active there. So they are actively involved in the comment section, they are in the YouTube or Instagram, they are asking questions on the forum, they are sharing cases on the Telegram, even some are sending us cases to upgrade our ICU visual library also. So I was thinking that how we make this one-way communication sort of thing to two-way communication, where you can also interact with us. So earlier we tried many things in which we created certain groups or things, but what happens if we make a group of 1,000 people suppose? Only 10 or 15 of them or 20-25 people of them starts interacting, otherwise other people don't interact, they just listen and they just don't want to miss out something, they join the group like that, but most of the people don't interact in it. But what I realized that those people who are interacting, those people who are regularly contributing to the ESBICM, those people who really have the talent or curiosity to help someone, to contribute some, they should be given a separate space of privilege on ESBICM. So what we had done is, we are starting a new thing which is called ESBICM Café, the ESBICM Café. It will be a closed group. Will be combining all those people on the WhatsApp, and also there will be a WhatsApp group, and also we will have regular interaction via Google Meets, and if possible we can meet physically also. That's the way it is, but initially it will be an online sort of thing. What we'll do on the ESBICM Cafe, that these interacting peoples will come together and they will share, like suppose we want to discuss a new trial which has come. This group, which is very much active from the starting, these people, they can dissect that trial out. New guidelines comes, they can discuss. A new case comes, we can share our opinions like that. And in that, there is no junior or senior sort of thing. In whichever phase of learning you are, whether you are a undergraduate or graduate or postgraduate, or you are practicing, or you have enough experience in your field, anyone who has a curiosity for things, anybody who wants to teach things, anybody who wants to provide answers to someone, anyone who is very much passionate about critical care, teaching purpose or interacting purpose or contributing purpose will be invited. So by invited, what I mean that entry to this group is by invitation only. So what we are doing is, we are constantly reviewing. Many of the names I have now on my fingertips, that these persons always ask very sensible questions on the forum or ESBICM forum or YouTube like that. So we'll be sending out invitation, we'll be connecting with them, and we'll invite them for the ESBICM Cafe group. And as the community grows, as the ESBICM grows, the number will keep on increasing. But that doesn't mean that if you post thousands of comments, we'll automatically include you in it. No. The quality of the comment, the quality of the interaction matters the most. Suppose there will be very logical single question itself, which is very, very logical at that particular period of time, which changes the discussion to its different level. So that is something which we are looking. And there are people like, I have seen many of the members who are guiding the new members to different videos, like on the Instagram or on the YouTube. I've seen that somebody posted a comment and the other member jump in and you tell them that watch this particular video or this particular section. Suppose like the ebook which we have released, the recent on the recent and landmark trials. One of the members were not finding it, so he guided that go to this link and there is it. So helping nature. So if you are interacting in a very qualitative manner on the ESBICM, you will be automatically sent an invite. We are reviewing that. So this will be a very close group or privileged group, means this is the ESBICM honoring them, or ESBICM will be lucky to have such people on this group, and they will help for the shaping of the society in the future. So the ESBICM Cafe we are announcing, and today is Ganesh Chaturthi, 27th of August, Wednesday, auspicious day. So the ESBICM Cafe is open now. I'm sitting in a cafe and also doing my journaling work for the videos or lectures. So it will be casual group. We can discuss freely in it. So I will share the link of the page at the description of this video. You can go and watch, you can go and read regarding that, and soon many of you will start getting invites personally from me or from the academic committee to join this group. So that's all for today. See you in the next video, and please keep learning and do read more about the various topics which we have posted on the channel and the forum. Thank you and see you soon. Thank you.